In this class, good evening to everyone. In this class, we are going to see UPSC 2021 question paper with respect to the number system topic. If you go through the 2020 and comparing with 2021, 2020 there was a more questions. In a 2021, there was a questions, but not up to the level of 2020. Here, 10 plus questions are there. So therefore, if you go through the previous year and then trend analysis, then you can see that after 2020 number of questions are raised with respect to the number system topic. Therefore, you need to give much importance to this topic. And then you people got the recordings in your respective groups with respect to 2020. So now we will discuss 2021. Consider all the 3-digit number without repetition of a digit obtained using 3 non-zero digit which are multiples of 3. Let S be the sum. Which of the following is or are correct? See, first of all, understanding this statement is very important. If you understood means, then easily you will find an answer here. First, non-zero digit. Non-zero digit means actual digits are starting from 0 to 9. It says that non-zero. When saying non-zero, then it starts from 1 to 9. So you write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the non-zero digits. Then, and one more thing provided here, which are a multiple of 3. So first of all, check the multiples of 3 here: 3, 6, 9. With these 3 digits, how many such a 3 digit can be formed? So that is the important thing here. Listen. So 3, 6, 9. Okay, 3 such a 3 digits are there. 3 such a digits are there which are multiple of 3. How many such a 3 digits can be formed? It means 3 factorial ways. So 3 factorial, already people know, learned the factorial also, basics of factorial in your foundation class. Then here 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2, that is 6. So 6 ways are there to arrange such a 3 digit numbers. So what are the ways here? With the 3 we can form 369, then 396. So this is 1. Now next here is with the 6 we can form 639, then 693, then with 9 you can form 936, then 963. So these are the 3 digits. So that is nothing but the 6 ways we have forming such a 3 digit. After forming, now read the question. S be the sum. So sum, let us take this sum as S. So all, sum of all this one. Okay, if you add, you will get a 3996. Okay, this is the sum of these 6 such a 3 digits. So according to the statement number 1, statement number 1 says that S is always divisible by 74. Then 3996. Okay, divided with a 74. Check here. 5 times 370, balance 296 here. Then 4 times 296. So which is completely divisible. When it is completely divisible, you can say that S is always divisible by 74. So therefore first statement is right. Now let us move on with the statement number 2. Statement number 2 says it is divisibility by 9. You have learned in your foundation class about a divisible by 9. Sum of digits which is equal to 0 or a multiple of 9. 0 or multiple of 9. Then you can call that number as a divisible by 9. So now let us check the sum here. 3 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6 here. Then 27. Yes, this 27 is divisible by 9. According to this, statement number 2 is also a correct. So answer for this question is S is always divisible by 9 also, S is always divisible by 74 also. Both the statement provided here are correct. So therefore answer for this question is C option, both 1 and 2. Fine. Okay. Anybody having a doubt? Or else shall we move on to the next one? Shall we move on? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next question. So integers are listed from 700 to 1000. In how many integers the sum of the digits is 10? How many such a integers sum of the digits is say 10? So first of all, remember integers are listed from 700 to 1000. Listen, sum has to be a 10. Here simple. So here start with the 7. You need to get sum as a 10. So here 703 gives you 10. Then 7 1 also gives 7 1. Then you have to put a 2 here. So therefore this 3 digit also, when you are adding this one, 7 plus 1 plus 2. So that is the thing here, 7 plus 1 plus 2. Here also 7 plus 0 plus 3. So everything gives you 10 here. Then like this you need to check here. So then the reverse of this one, 7 1 2 means 721 also gives you. 7 not 3 means 730 also gives you. Anything else? No. 7 4 series is not 10. So therefore stop here. So therefore 4 such here. Let's move on with 8 series. 8 not 2 gives you summation as a 10. So 8 plus 0 plus 2 which is equal to 10. Then 8 1 1 also gives you. So 8 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 10. Then 8 2 0 gives you 8 plus 2 plus 0 which is equal to 10. So therefore here 3. Then 9 series we can go with the 901. No. Yes, 901 is correct. So 9 plus 0 plus 1 which is equal to 10. Any other series 910 gives you 9 plus 1 plus 0. This is also a 10. So therefore 2 such will be there. Apart from this, nothing else possible. So therefore 4 plus 3 plus 2. So 9 such a integers are there. 9 such a integers are there whose sum is 10. So therefore answer for this question is okay, 9 is the answer. Anybody having a doubt? No doubt means we will move on to the next question. Okay, good. Now this question also discussed during our foundation class. Anyhow, I will tell you the concept for finding out this one. The actual question is 303019 divisible by 10. Listen, you need to find out the remainder, that is the positive remainder or else negative remainder minus 1. Here 3 square gives you 9. When this 9 is divisible by 10, you are getting minus 1 as a remainder. So then what you need to do? You need to divide the power with 2. Then here you will get a 1008. Then 8 or 9? 9, right? Isn't it? So therefore 18 here. So therefore here 1. So you know the division algorithm. Division algorithm is nothing but a quotient is equal to
Divisor into
yes,
quotient.
divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this concept you people learned in your foundation class itself. That's it. So here how can you write this one? 3 square the whole power 1009 into 3 power 1 by 10. So it gives you minus 1 as a remainder when dividing with a 10. Now if you want you can put since it is in the product. So minus power odd number is nothing but minus 1, here 3 by 10. So which is equal to minus 3 by 10. When you are getting, okay, please remember one thing here, minus 3 by 10. When the resultant is negative, then what is the answer? Denominator plus numerator. So that is nothing but the remainder. So denominator is 10, numerator is minus 3. So the remainder is 7. So R is equal to 7. So remainder is 7. So the answer is C, 7. Listen, this question can be solved by using the positive remainder concept also. The positive remainder means 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. When 81 is divisible by 10, you are getting a plus 1. So those two models also we have discussed in your foundation. Here also we have discussed this question here. Now, shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this question, listen very carefully. Divisibility concept of 7. Right. Here you need to find out the unknown. Here you need to find out the unknown. Listen. If you do not know the any shortcut, or else if you do not know any divisibility concept, or else divisible by 7 concept also, don't worry. But you know the 6th standard mathematics, that is the division, then easily you can solve this question by using your school method, but it takes additionally 3 minutes or 4 minutes. But instead of marking wrong answers by giving you a good time is okay, always I prefer, you people also prefer that one. So now listen, this is the school method. So 3 7 9 8 1 2 5 6 3 6 9 divisible by, right, 7. So move on here. 35, 79, 79, 77 goes. So here 2 here. 28, right?
Sir, 29.
20.
29.
Okay.
7 minus 5 is 2.
Okay. So here there is a mistake, right?
Yes, sir. It's 29, sir.
Yes. Wait. Here we have done a mistake. I have just okay. I have brought 79 here. No. Here 2 here. Here 9. Right. So then 4 here. 28. Then 1 8, right? Then 14. Then 41. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
35,
35. Then
62,
62.
62. Then
56,
then
56,
then
65,
65.
then
63.
then
Then 2,
wait, stop. Then 2 P 3
369.
6 9. That's it. Listen carefully. You know 2 P 3 6 9. So this is the last one. Now you go with the option method. Put P is equal to 1, 2 6 3 6 9. Right. So here in the place of P, I am replacing 1 here. So this method is a very good method. School method. Since it's give here the question provides that divisible by 7. When it is divisible by 7, the remainder is 0. Check whether while substituting b is equal to 1, you are getting a remainder as 0 or not. If you are getting the 0 as the remainder, then that is the answer. If you are not getting a 0 as the answer, then you have to go with the option B. So like this we have to check. Okay. So then 7 here, 21 divisible, 36 here, 35 goes here. Then 1 9, 14 goes 5. So it is not. Leave this one. So I am going with B. So B is 6 here. 2 1 3. Okay, in the place of P, I am just replacing 6 here. 2 6 3 6 9. So 7 here. Right. 21 goes. Then 53. 49 goes. Here 4. Then 6. Then how many such goes? 42 goes. 4 9. Yes, 4 9 is completely divisible with the 7 table. So the 4. With this itself, you are getting the answer now. B is the right answer. With the school method itself, you can able to get an answer for this kind of problems. But the thing is that kind of ability analytical skill you require. So for that, practice gives you. Now I will tell you the method 2 here. This method means, listen, from the last, okay, pair 3 digits, okay, pair as a 3. Suppose if you cannot able to pair a 3 means, then you have to put it as a 0. Then what you need to do here is put a 0 alternatively, okay, odd, even, okay, odd, even. What you need to do here is find the, okay, add the odd places here and then add the even places here. So 981, then 369, 981, 369. If you are adding this one, you are getting 1063. Now add the this one, this part, next part. What is the next part here? 25.
So by
P.
adding this, we'll be getting 1350, right?
Sir, 1350. 9
Here
1
this
10.
one,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
1350.
50.
50.
Okay, fine. 1350. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you are getting 1350. Then what you have to do here? This one we are substituting here, right? 25p. Then what is the next odd place?
037.
0337.
037.
37.
Right. So with this, how can you find out a solution? Any logic is there? Just tell me. This is the one model to find out the solution. How many of you know this model first of all? Anybody know? So this is the concept called as divisibility by 7. Okay. So what to do? Next one. After knowing this one, you people see here, you cannot able to divide or you cannot do anything here. So in such a situation, listen very carefully. I will tell you a simple trick here. This 250 you split as, okay, 25 p can be splitted as 250 plus p, since 0 plus p is nothing but the p, right? So that unit place you are splitting now. Okay, unit place you are splitting now. Please understand this. This is a very important step here when you are doing this model. Then split like this, 1350. You know the divisibility by 11 concept, right? So same I am going to apply here. Just addition of odd places, then the even places, then subtract. So therefore 250 plus p. So this is nothing but a which place? You added the even place. Now you added the odd place. Now one more thing is there. So what is that one more thing? P is also there, right? Or else you can go, we have split it as 250 plus p. You can go here another 37. Why? So here 37 is nothing but in the odd place. Then subtract this one, 1350 minus 250 minus 37 minus p. Now you people tell me the answer for this one. This one, can we say 1063 now?
Yes, sir.
Minus p. Now understand, this has to be divisible by 7, right? Since it has been given as divisibility by 7. So what is the divisible concept? The whole divisible can be splitted as a separate divisible also, right? So with this logic, what you can do here, divide that 1063 by 7, 1063 by 7. What happens here? 1 times here, then 7 here, 3 6, 5 times 35 13, then 1 time, then 7 6. So by using the division algorithm, you can split that 1063 as 1 5 1 into 7 plus p, then what else pending here? Minus p. So this has to be divisible by 7. Now listen very carefully. Now whatever be the product of 7 is surely divisible by 7. So therefore, right, so now you need to check here. So in order to get completely divisible, this p minus 6 has to be 0. Then what is the value of p? P is equal to 6. So this is the another method. Okay, so green color is the method 2. So rest is the method 1. Please, that is why I'm saying school methods are very good method. Okay, without any kind of confusion you can get the answer. Which method is the best one according to you?
School
Second
method.
one.
Method, second method.
Yes, sir.
Okay, according to you, second method.
First method.
Okay, according to flexibility of each students varies. Okay,
First method is better, sir.
so if you ask me which method is the best according to me, means okay, even if it is a mathematics background or else non-mathematics background, but if you know basic mathematics, then first method is very good method. I suggest maybe 3 to 4 minutes it takes some extra time. But here when you are applying that first method, don't bother about the quotient. Here we need to get up to this p, then we can replace. Suppose, listen very carefully, suppose when you are replacing here itself and dividing and checking whether it gives you remainder as a 0, means it's a complicated one, lengthiest process. But after deriving 2p369, then it is the easiest process to find out. Okay, suppose everybody may not know the model 2, so that the divisibility by 7 concept, and one more divisibility by 7 concept is there. So in that concept and all, it is quite difficult to solve this one. Okay, so therefore,
Sir, can we continue with the method with this 2p369 if we divide the last digit by 2 and subtracting it from the remaining?
not dividing, you are multiplying by 2.
9 multiplying by 2 and then subtracting
Hmm.
from the remaining
Hmm.
and continuing with that.
Yes, that
I
only I am
just
saying.
used
That is
this
the another
concept.
method. You are done with that method,
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is also, that is why I am saying that method is the good method. Okay, so in your basic okay foundation class, you people learned that method. So what is the procedure? You need to multiply the unit place with 2. You have to subtract the solution with the rest of the digits, isn't it? That method only Preeti says. Okay, so you people try to solve by using that method also. That method is also divisibility by 7 concept, important model. Okay, so still if anybody having a doubt, means you can ask.
Sir, in this 25p, how this 250?
Listen, 252 can be written as 250 plus 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
257 can be written as 250 plus 7, isn't it,
Yes,
Nikita?
sir.
Then why can't you write a 25p as a 250 plus p? Nikita, understood now?
But sir, it is multiplied now.
Where it is multiplied? Where it is multiplied? It has provided as a 25p only. Unit place is p. Understood?
Okay, sir, got it. Yes, sir.
Nikita understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
259 can be written as 250 plus 9. Same thing here. 25p can be written as 250 plus p. Since the unit place are getting added, so 0 plus p will become p.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Okay. So next, we'll move on with the next question. Yes, this question is a very simple. Listen, this model has not came in 2020, but this model came in 2019. We have discussed during 2019 question paper discussion. We have discussed one question. Anybody remember that name of that two persons?
Gita and Sita.
Very good. Geeta and Sita question we have done. Same logic. See here, the model repeats in every, okay, UPSC examination, model repeats. So 2015 model came in 2023 also. So therefore model repeats. Therefore learning the previous year question paper, solving the previous year question paper is done. Must. So please remember that one. Now take the numbers 5, 24, 9. Take the LCM. So 5 can be factorized as 5 into 1. 24 can be factorized as 2 cube. Right? 8 into 3. So 8 into 3 is nothing but 2 cube. Then 9 can be written as 3 square. So now LCM. What is the procedure? You need to take all the prime factors. So 2, 3, 5, 1. Then what is the last step? You need to take the highest powers. So 2's highest power is 3. 3's highest power is 2. 5's is 1. That's it. 8 into 9 into 5. 72 into 5. 360. Now, here Sunday, Monday, like this means 7 days in a week. Divide this with the 360. Divide this with the 7. Get the odd number, which means odd days. Right? Extra days. So in another way, you can say that as a extra day. 5 times 35 here. 1 0. Then 1 time here 7. 3 extra days will be there. So therefore, Sunday plus 3 extra days. 3 odd days. Sunday. So Sunday is the meeting. So next 3. Okay. Put here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So therefore, Sunday plus third day. So Wednesday is the right answer for this question. Okay. This is the simple model. If you know the concept of LCM, then easily you can solve this kind of model. Please give much importance to this kind of model. Okay, sometimes repeats simply. That's it. Now, this question during the second, not second, I think during the third lecture of your class, I have explained this. Okay, there also we have discussed this one. So one thing I have explained you people to note down. Any one of you, could you please remind that concept which I explained there? Any one of you? Any possibilities out there to explain? Only
10x
one logic.
plus y.
Yes. Tell me. Shivaranjani, yes,
10x,
proceed.
10x plus y minus 10y
No,
minus x is
The
equals
what you are saying the procedure. One important point you need to note that I have mentioned.
So the
Any one of
sum can be known if the ratio is also given.
very good. That's it. So Nitasha, correct. I said during exam, okay, during the I mean not exam, during the foundation, I think day 3, I explained that first begin we have begin okay we have begun with that question similar model, but the ratio has been provided. When the ratio is also provided, you can able to find a solution for this one, which means the sum of the two digits are known even if the ratio is also provided. It says that only product of the two digit is known. That is wrong. Just now, okay, Nitasha said that was explained very briefly. So the difference between the two digits number can be determined. Yes, that can be determined. If you want, you can say that one. 10x plus y. Then interchanging the difference between these two. Right. So interchanging means the unit place comes in the 10th place number comes in the unit place. So difference is 54. Right. So we can find the difference also here. So rearrange this one. 9x minus 9y is equal to 54. X minus y is equal to 6. So here difference is 6. This can be determined. The difference between the two digits is determined. The answer for this question is B only. Everyone clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody having doubt means you can ask. No, everybody is saying
Sir,
thumbs up. Yes.
you once again say, tell why statement 1 not correct.
You please go through the recording of day 3 or day 2. I think, see, please anybody say day 2 or day 3?
Day 2, sir.
Day 2. Okay, Shivaranjan says day 2. Day 2 recording is there. Please go through there. There I have explained the first problem itself. We have begin with the ratio. So same thing has been provided. Then the supporting statement is the ratio or in the ratio. Then we have substituted that ratio and we converted that as a equation. Then we have solved. We have found the value of x and value of y. Then we have found the value of 2-digit number. When the ratio is given, then also we can able to find out the 2-digit number. But he says that only the product is given. Listen, when the product is given also you can able to find by substituting. So here xy is equal to x minus y is equal to 6. Suppose if the product is given, suppose if the product is 5, okay, for example, then 5 by x. Here this 5 by x can be replaced here. Then you can able to find out the value of x, as well as after finding the value of x you can substitute here in order to find the value of y. This is also one of the possibilities to find out the 2-digit, but it is not only the way to find out that is 2-digit. Even if the ratio has been provided, x by y has been provided, then also x is equal to 2y, then that x can be replaced here to find out the other unknown. If you are finding the unknown, easily you can find out the value of x. Nikita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, these are explained in the day 2 class. Please go through that one. Even I have explained here itself. Fine. Now listen. Very simple question. But this kind of questions by in your hurry situation, people forgetting to see these questions itself. When a certain number is multiplied by 7, the product entirely comprises only 111. What is the smallest such a number? Options are there. Numbers has been provided. You have to multiply here with 7. Check all the digits are 1. Which means complete product is 1. That's it. 21. 2. Here 7. 7 plus 2, 9. That's it. Leave it. A option eliminated. 1, 5, 7, 2, 3 into 7. 21. Here 14 plus 2, 16. Okay, leave it. B option eliminated. 1, 5, 7, 8, 3 into 7. 21. 2. 56 plus 2. 58. Eliminated. So only one option left, D. D is the right answer. If you want, you can check here. So into 7. 21, 2. 7, 7, 49. 49 plus 2, 51. 5. 7, 8 are 56. 56 plus 5, 61. 6. 7, 5 are 35. 35 plus 6, 41. 4. 7. Then plus 4, 1. Yes. This is the thing. Okay. Everyone understood? Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, very good question. So this question is a very good question, but here you need to simple, okay, as much as simple. Okay, try to understand the question, then it is very simple. Consider the following statement. The sum of 5 consecutive integers can be 100. Okay, 100 can be 100. Yes, listen, sum has been provided. Sum is equal to n is equal to 5. Can you find the average? That's it. So average is nothing but a sum by n. You know the concept here. 20. So you know the average 20. Average 20 means here two numbers will be there, here two numbers will be there. So here you put 19, 18, then 21, 22. Add these numbers. Check whether you are getting a number as 100. Yes. The sum of the 5 consecutive natural number can be. Yes, can be. Not always. Yes says can be. Yes, can be. So therefore statement number 1 is right. Everyone understood this one? First statement?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or else you people need a equation method. This is simple. You people need a equation method. Huh? Equation method means I will tell you the equation method. Anybody need a equation method? Take as a x. Next is x plus 1. Next is x plus 2. Here x minus 1. Here take x minus 2. That's it. So here sum of means what? Add everything. Is equal to 100. Then what will happen here? Here 5n. Right. 5n is equal to plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 2 minus 2 cancel. 5n is equal to 100. N is equal to 20. If you know the n is equal to 20, or sorry, you take x here. So x is equal to 20. So x is 20. X minus 1 is 19. Then x minus 2 is 18. X plus 1 is 21. X plus 2 is 22. That's it. This sum easily you can find. So first one is correct statement. Now let us move on with the second statement. The product of 3 consecutive natural numbers, so can be, so 1 into 2 into 3. So which can be, so let us take this as a 6. So there sum, check here, sum. Here also sum is 6. Yes, both are same here. Can be means sufficient. 1 is sufficient. You do not check with any other number. 1 is sufficient. So therefore yes, this is also correct. So answer for this question is both 1 and 2. Getting everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody having a doubt? If you are having a doubt, please clarify, or else we move on to the next question. Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next question. Everybody saying thumbs up. Okay. So this kind of linear equation also will start here itself. Listen, this is the direct question of your NCERT. NCERT question. Okay. NCERT 10th standard question. Linear equation question. Okay. Direct question. Direct question I'm saying, this is the NCERT direct question. Even in 2020, you have seen 9th standard NCERT direct question. Right. So yesterday's class we have discussed that one. So here, please go through at least once. You people have to go through the NCERT. I am always suggesting reading the GS with respect to the NCERTs. You people gives much importance to this one, but not taking the max book. Please take the max books. Okay, do not take 11th standard, 12th standard differentiation and integration, etc. That is not required. 11th standard permutation combination required, probability required. 12th standard probability required. So rest of the chapters are not required with respect to 11th standard, 12th standard, but with respect to the 6th to 12th, 10th standard, at least you need to revise, or once revision is very important. Study once, go through the concept once, revise once. That's it. Twice. So I am suggesting. Okay. Still, you need additional basic knowledge, means you can go through that one, or else classes are sufficient. Listen. Jay and Vijay spent an equal amount. So please remember the word equal amount of your money to buy some pens and special pencils of the same quantity of the store. I don't know how many pens and how many. So take this number of pen, this number of pencils. Jay bought 3 pen, so therefore 3x. Then 5 pencil, 5y. What is the sum? You don't know, but the sum is equal to the Vijay. So Vijay bought 2 pen, 2x, then 7 pencil. So rearrange this one. That's it. So 3x minus that NCRT question here. So please go through that one. So x is equal to 2y. You can say these in terms of wordings. So the price of the pencil, which is sorry, the price of a pen. X is pen, right? The price of pen is equal to 2 times the price of pencil. That's it. Which option? C option, huh? The price
Yes.
of pen is 2 times. Yes, C option is the right answer for this question. That's it. So simple question. Okay. But many people says 2021 is a very difficult question paper, etc. By saying, by reading only once means you will find difficult. Give 1 to 2 minutes for reading the questions. Then easily you will get some kind of logic to solve. Listen, there is a logic to solve this one. A person P asks one of the 3 friends, okay, X asked to how much money he had. X replied, if Y gives me, so first of all let us take this one, X, Y, Z. According to the first statement, if Y gives 40 rupees, Y gives you 40 rupees. Listen, if initially don't know anything, so suppose if initially Y has 100 means 40 gives to the X means what will happen? What will happen?
X plus 40.
X plus 40. So who is giving now?
Y. Y minus 40.
Y minus 40.
40.
So 40. Then Y will have of as much as Z. So what is the question here? Y will have means actually what is Y? Y minus 40. Will have of Z means Z by 2. Cross multiply this one. 2y minus 80 which is equal to Z. Rearrange. 2y minus Z is equal to 80. Keep this as a equation number 1. That's it. Now read the statement number. If Z gives me, who says? X says, okay. If Z gives me 40, okay, which means X gains 40. So who is losing? Z is losing 40. Then 3 of us will have equal amount, which means 3 of X means Y also, right? So it is equal to Y's amount. So now listen, here in terms of YZ, so therefore equate this in terms of YZ itself. That's it. So Y is equal to Z minus 40. So Y minus Z is equal to minus 40. So take this as a equation number 2. So solve 1 and 2. That's it. 2y minus z is equal to 80. Then y minus z is equal to minus 40. Same sign means multiply with the opposite sign. So z cancel. We're getting y is equal to 120. That's it. If you know the value of y, easily you can able to find out the other unknowns. Substitute anywhere. So y substitute in 2. Substitute in 2. Y is nothing but 120 minus z is equal to minus 40. Then z is equal to bring this minus 40 towards the LHS. Then 120 plus 40. Then z is equal to 160. You know the value of z. Now you can substitute in anywhere. You know x plus 40 is equal to y. So then easily you can able to find your. So x plus 40 is equal to 120. Then x is equal to 120 minus 40 will become 80. The question says that what is the total amount? Total amount. The total amount means you need to find what you need to find? X plus y plus z.
Plus 1 plus z.
Yes. So x 80, y 120, z 160. So therefore 200 plus 160, 360 rupees they are. Okay, the total amount is this one. Okay, now what are the possibilities? They may ask you to find out the arithmetic mean. They may ask you to find out the average of total money. In the situation, what is the answer? If you want to find out the average,
120.
120.
120.
so like these, they may ask you for any two also, any three also possible, any two also possible. So therefore, you need to give some importance to this kind of things. That's it. Okay, shall we move to the next question?
Sir.
Okay. Here, this question we will solve with respect to the number system concept itself. Very simple question. Just if you know the numbers, okay, then adding, subtracting these things only. Okay. If you know this logic, then easily you can able to solve. So now listen carefully. In objective type of test of 90 questions. So first of all, take the number of questions. First try to frame a data. Then easily 5 mark collected for every correct. Correct means marks 5. Right. Then wrong means wrong or incorrect. Whatever. Wrong means minus 2 mark detected. After attempting all the 90 questions, listen, 90 questions you have attempted. The student got total marks. So listen, total marks is this one. What is the number of incorrect? I don't know the incorrect. Please take this incorrect as a x. Then correct is equal to how many such attempt responses will be there. Total is 90. 90 minus incorrect is going to be the number of correct attempts. That's it. Now, for this number of correct questions, how much marks awarded? 5 marks awarded, isn't it? 5 marks awarded, right? So therefore 5 here minus. So why I am putting minus? Since incorrect. Okay. So minus 2 into minus 2 into, or else you can put a plus here in a bracket. You can put a minus here. So that is also fine. Into x. That's it. So then bring this here. 450 minus 5x minus 2x, which is equal to 387. 450 minus 7x is equal to 387. So 7x here. 450 minus 387. So will become 63 by 7 is equal to x. So cancel this one. So x is equal to 9. So 9 such a incorrect responses are there. Everyone understood this model is fine, or else you people need any other model? This is more than enough, right? For simple
Yes,
calculations.
sir.
Okay. Fine. Nikita understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, this kind of model you need to give much importance. Even 2022 question paper also there was a questions were like this. 2021 also here we are going to see 2 questions. 2020 also there. Okay, please give much importance to this kind of number theory based questions also. Simple question only, but a lot of understanding required here. Let me explain here. 3p, 4p, pp, again pp, yeah. Again pp. Listen, if you're adding this, you need to get a rq2. So this is the thing provided. And what are the supporting statements? P, Q, R are different digits. Different digit. You need to find out the arithmetic mean of all such a possible sum. First of all, you need to find out the possible sum. Then only you can able to find out the arithmetic mean of such a possible sum. So now, first of all, let us check here. How many such p's are there in the unit place? Unit place. 4 p's are there. 4 p's are there. Now, you need to get, when you are adding this, you need to get 2 in the unit place. 4 p's. Now, what are the possibilities for this p means? 4 into dash gives you 2 in the unit place. 3 gives you. Any other possibilities?
8.
8 is also possibility. So therefore, these are the possible. Now let us move on with the case number 1. 3, 3, 3, 3. So in such a situation, here 2, yes, correct. Then carries 1 here, yes. 3, 4, 3, 3. Then what will happen here? 14, right? 14. Now listen, it is in the form of RQ2. RQ2. Now in this case, R is equal to 1. Q is equal to 4. Right. You have found the value of P also. P is equal to 3. Right. In such a situation, so here the solution is 142. Please mark it. This is nothing but 142. This is one possible. What are the next possible? Case number 2. Case number 2 is with respect to 8 here. So 32. 3 carries here. Then 3, 4, 8, 8. So 16, 20, 26.
262.
Okay, 262. So this is one possible. After you found the possibilities, they are asking you to find the arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means what? You need to add these two possible values here, sums here. Arithmetic mean of 2 means, so why we are dividing with 2? Since we are adding 2 such. 2 such means 142 plus 262. So then it will become 404 by 2. Cancel this. So you are getting 202 as the arithmetic mean. Option C is the correct answer. Everyone getting how to solve this kind of questions?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Okay. Now last question of this today's class. So 2021 we are completing. After that, in the next class we will see 2022 question. Okay. So this is also a very important model. Consider the following multiplication problem. PQ into 3, which is equal to RQQ. Now remember one thing here. PQ, R are different, and one more thing you need to note here. R not equal to 0. R not equal to 0. So now, after knowing this one, you need to find out the value of P plus R divisible by Q. That's it. Now listen. When 3 is multiplied with the Q, you need to get the same Q here. One possibility is there. Okay. Then what are the possibility? What are the possibility?
5.
Okay. 5 is a possibility. Okay, 5 is a possible. Since, you know, wait. 5 here, 3 here. When multiplying, you are getting 5 here in the unit place. Here also, listen, you found the value of Q. Now, Q is equal to 5. Here 5. Now listen very. Huh?
1.
You are saying the final answer.
No. Got it, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, wait. So here also you need to get a 5. That 3 has to be multiplied with a P. So P into 3. Listen here, in order to get a 5, only one possible. You have to put 8 here. Since when you are multiplying P into 3, you need to get a 2 digit. Since here, why we need to get a 2 digit? Since here itself 5 into 3, 15. 5 comes here, 1 carries. 1 carries here. So therefore 3 into P. Then that value has to be added with 1. So first of all, tell me the This one 8 into 3 24. 24 is added with 1, you will get a 25. So then only you will get a 5. So here 2. Everyone getting now? Anybody having doubt? Okay, fine. Everybody saying thumbs up. Okay, fine. 255. Now check the values. So you know P is equal to 8. You put a Q is equal to 5. R, check here, R 2. That's it. So this is the condition provided here in the question. P plus R, 8 plus 2 by 5, 10 by 5. Cancelling 2 is the answer for this question. Preeti, got a 2.
Yes, sir.
2 is the answer, not 1. So everyone understood? Okay, fine. So now I'm concluding the class here. We will discuss 2022 question paper in the next class. If anybody having a doubt means you can post. Okay. Okay, fine. So therefore, next 2 to 3 classes we are going to complete the number system completely. Please, you people take a lot of questions and try to solve. You need to give much importance to the number system. The weightage is very high with respect to the number system and permutation combination nowadays. So that UPSC examiners a favorite topic, number system and permutation combination nowadays. It may change. It may change, but as of now, according to the trend, you need to give importance to the number system and permutation. Minimum it carries 20 plus mark with respect to the number system, since a lot of concepts are there and then applications also. So minimum you will get a 20 marks there. So please give much importance to number system. That is why we have started this course of June 19th, first batch. Then second batch we have started, right? Still we are in the number system itself. We are giving such a importance to this topic. You people are also have to give much importance to the number system. Focus, take lot of questions, lot of PDF you people are getting, take and randomly solve. Try to check yourself, and also practice question has been provided in your group. I don't know how many of you completed such a 140 questions sincerely. Okay, anyhow, I'm suggesting you to solve as much of questions with respect to the number system. Okay, thank you all, have a good day. I'm concluding the class here.